Guys, what is up? What is good? We are back with another episode. This is going to be not officially an emergency, but this should be an emergency for anyone that does not own cryptocurrency, guys. If you do not own cryptocurrency at this point, you might want to watch this video. You might want to subscribe to this channel. You might want to come on down and see what we're talking about here on the channel. What we're seeing right now, guys, is a different type market than we've been seeing before. All right, so there have been things, if you guys are just getting into cryptocurrency, or you're just learning about it, or you're maybe thinking about getting into it, this is the channel for you. But also, you need to realize what kind of market we're talking about here now, guys. So this is now a different market than it was just a couple weeks ago. We've introduced things, instruments to the crypto market that is going to change the market forever, guys. And we've seen that this week. We saw this huge narrative push to that BTC, this Bitcoin ETF was going to send all cryptos to the moon. Well, here we are a week after that, or 2 weeks after that, and what's happened? The crypto prices have done the exact opposite, and they've gone down. But what we've been looking on this channel, guys, specifically on this channel, is we've been looking at the way the altcoins are behaving now that the Bitcoin ETF is in place, guys. And what we've seen, what we did on the live stream today, what we talked about on the live stream, and what we're reiterating right this second is the fact that some of these crypto markets, because that's what these cryptocurrencies are, guys, they're individual markets. If they are not built on Ethereum and they're not built on Bitcoin, they are individual markets. And these individual markets, guys, in some cases are doing pretty good. And we were looking at coin today, but we've also been looking at a lot of other coins other than, just one coin. It's not like we're just looking at coin. We're looking at Bitcoin Cash. We're looking at Bitcoin SV. We're looking at Dash, Monero. And we're looking at all these conceptual things line up with the same ideal of potentially a giant fucking price run. Now, I think there's going to be a giant price run for a variety of reasons. The first reason is all you got to do, guys, is look at the log charts. Look at the log charts, guys. We did it this morning. We've done it a billion times on the channel. But what it shows is it shows a different type market, not at where the prices are at, but where the prices might be going in terms of, very soon, these same coins that people are not buying are going to be virtually unattainable. They're literally going to be unattainable. And the euphoric feeling that of being in these coins could have been yours. That could have been your opportunity. But now there's people that are even interested in buying these coins at a higher price, a much higher price than they're at now, just because they've seen what the prices can do. And this is the main thing, guys. I would say this is like the main thing you guys need to look at. If you're not looking out at these log charts on the channel or by yourself, you need to come look at them on the channel, because they really paint a big picture, guys, of what is going on with the overall price movements. And guys, I want to say another point. I think the second point is that if we start looking at the BTC trading pairs, if we start seeing some of this lineup of I want to say a lineup of coins that are disattached from Ethereum ERC20 tokens, disattached from the Bitcoin market, and are very specific about moving in a general direction up, I would say that these are the coins you really need to look out for. And guys, these coins, if you don't know, Monero, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, Dash, these coins are on my radar, guys, and we've been covering them on the channel, but we're going to cover them more because they are moving incredibly different from what we've seen just up till, I don't know, a month ago, 2 months ago, 6 months ago. We've seen in the last, I would say 6 months actually, we've seen basically a complete turnaround in the crypto markets where these coins are just doing their own fucking thing. And honestly, guys, I think they're going to all do kind of the same thing and go super high up. What am I telling you guys? Let's slow it down. What am I telling you guys that you think could happen? Could this really happen, or could these prices just fizzle? But that's not what we're looking at, guys. We're looking at where the prices are at right now when we look at these coins like coin, when we look at these coins like Bitcoin Cash, what it's done in the last year, Bitcoin SV, what it's done in the last month, guys, okay? Month. We're not even done with January yet. And Bitcoin SV has already rallied up to fucking 200% or 200% up almost. and then came down. But we're looking at disassociated markets. See if the best way to put this. Disassociated markets from Bitcoin Core, disassociated markets from Ethereum, and that's pretty much what we're looking at on the channel, guys. It's clear as day to me. And that's because these prices, like I said, guys, are starting to they're starting, the distance between the price volatility and the correlation between Bitcoin Core and Ethereum is becoming less and less, guys. And we're looking at that on the channel unfold, because it's truly badass, guys. When I say something, that doesn't mean that it's going to happen. But when we look at stuff as a group, and we are looking at these prices as a group on the channel, and these prices actually start doing what we think they're doing generally, that's enough excitement for me, guys. I don't need to have the specific, I don't need to have the specific market of seeing one coin go up, at a specific time. It has to be this specific way. No, guys, I can see a variety of different coins go up, and generally the market go up and down, and these coins continue to go up. And that's exactly what we're seeing. We're not just seeing 1, 2, 3 coins do a little bit of a run. This isn't a channel where we're covering, bonk token or any of these things that are just pump and dumps. We're actually seeing a correlation of tokenomics, a correlation of economics, and a correlation of just some OG fucking coins really start to get busy here in the crypto market, because the prices are going up. It's undeniable once we see the price go up. If the prices are just kind of staying the same, then that's a little bit less likely of what we're talking about. But they're not. They're going directly up. They've been going directly up, and I would say they would continue to show volatility against Bitcoin Core. I really do think this is going to be the case, guys. I think this is going to be the case into the next week, into the next few months, and potentially into one of the greatest altcoin rallies we've seen in basically the last 10 years on some of these coins. This could be the bigger one, the bigger picture here in the next 2 coins, or the next two, the two rallies of what we've seen. We've seen it one time. This would be the second time. And it's not a guarantee, guys, but it's what we're seeing. It's where the prices are lining up. It's what we're seeing. So this isn't just me pulling this out of my ass, honestly. Oh, here we got an idea. No. This is literally what we're checking out on the channel, on Cryptocurrency Theory, on a regular basis. We're seeing a lineup of coins over the last, I would say, 6 to 7 months. That is just super interesting to me, guys. So we're going to keep following this stuff, guys. Expect to tune in on the channel, as much as you can, for us to cover this as much as we can, guys. And that's pretty much what we got going up the episode, where we just talked about what is going on in the channel, on the crypto prices, that kind of thing, guys. So if you like the channel, definitely make sure you're subscribed. Definitely make sure you're checking our updates out, and definitely make sure to follow this stuff on a regular basis like we're doing here on the channel, guys. Yeah.